Good morning, my name's Joanne Jamie and I'd like to welcome you to our inaugural Indigenous Science Experience event here at the Australian Museum. It's my pleasure to be able to introduce and present the first seminar of the series that we have today that's about celebrating Indigenous science and technology.
And gradually, you'll sharpen a really nice sharp edge on it. Now, see, look up behind us there on the table there. See that? All right. Who's got some string for me? Grab somebody else and tie it to their bit. Now.
This culture circle shows us how to get to know our language and know cultural stuff. If we didn't have this, we would not know our language and our skills.
This is the part of Science Week where we get to teach the kids. Got some CO2 in my mouth. Yep.
Teaching is the greatest part of Science Week.
There's a little sugary blob on the end, and like this sugary coating to the egg. That actually attracts the ants. And the ants
Did you do that then?
And I did this one too.
So that's the lesson I want you to take away from this, is that people who lived in that way weren't primitive, they were just different from us. They had different technology.
So you're an Aboriginal elder. What does that mean?
It means an older person for younger people to look up to.
Every full moon you can find us along the riverbank fishing.
We go out in the morning to help the fishermen bring in their nets.
So I'd see what plants they'd get and what plants I could eat and what plants I could make medicines out of.
And that's what our old people do, isn't it? And they are the professors, they are our teachers.
I'm a qualified archaeologist now, see?
When you say you're trying to make the bushland healthy...
Good use of fire, sustainable use of fire. We marry or we match contemporary science with traditional Aboriginal knowledge. So what we're trying to do is to make the bushland healthy.
And what we're trying to do is figure out ways that we can bring together these two ways of thinking and doing in terms of fire management, and look at how can we work together to improve the way we manage fire.
It really comes from wanting to learn more about my culture. I'm from Bundjalung country. I was born and bred on the Northern Rivers in New South Wales.
This culture circle. If we didn't have this, we wouldn't know our language and cultural stuff. In our Aboriginal law, we call it gagu.
Gagu.
Yeah, gagu.
Well, do you know what? Gagu, in our language, gagu means brother. And so we say, Ginagay gagu, that's greetings my brother, and Ginagay jinders, that's greeting my sisters.
Hello Abuji, thank you for teaching me everything I know about Aboriginal culture and learning from you and your family mob. It's a real pleasure for me to be a part of your family. Thank you for adopting me. Sorry I'll cry, but I love you too. Bye, Bobo.